Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn an English nursery rhyme called Hickory Dickory Dock. We're going to learn this song in the key of D major, and then we're going to transpose it up to the key of E flat major. Let's get started. Alright, Hickory Dickory Dock uses notes from the D major scale in the key of D major. Alright, so let's practice our D major scale. Starting on D, remember D major has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Here we go. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Back down, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Excellent. So let's take a look. We are in the time signature 3/4, meaning 3 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. Let's take a little quick peek ahead here. All right, so no eighth notes, but my goodness, there are so many rests, right? Look at all these quarter rests in here. Fun. Oh, and look, all of the beats are written in for us, and there are no subdivisions. Okay. This time, we're going to play the left hand first because, look, the melody is in the left hand. Okay, so I'm going to count it and play it, and you're going to follow along with your eyes. But I'm not going to point this time. You're just going to use your eyes to follow along with me. But I'll count off 3 for you, and then we'll start. Okay, I'm going to start on my 3 finger on the left hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, time to play our right hand. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to play the right hand and count, but you're going to just use your eyes to follow along, okay? I'll still count off 3 for you here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So you'll notice I stopped here even though we have a second page. I stopped because we were playing this in D major, and look, we're going to transpose up to E flat major. All right, so this side is played using notes from the E flat major scale in the key of E flat major. Now, we haven't learned our E flat major scale, but that's okay. We can still play in E flat major, in the key of E flat major, because they've written in all of the accidentals for us. We have a whole bunch of accidentals here, and what do we have? We have B flat, we have a E flat, and we have A flat. So we have B flat, E flat, and A flat in the key of E major. So watch out for these accidentals. All right, so now we're going to count and play the melody in E flat major. Now it's the exact same melody as when we played it in the key of D major, but the only difference is we're playing in the key of E flat major. So let's try it. We're going to do the same thing. Follow along with your eyes, and I'm going to count and play. So starting this time on G with our 3rd finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to try the right hand. We're going to do the same thing. Follow along with your eyes, and I'm going to play the right hand and count it for you. Ready? I'm going to count off 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We just transposed Hickory Dickory Dock from the key of D major to the key of E flat major. Good job, everyone. All right, so we're going to start in D major, in the key of D major. You're going to learn your left hand with the melody, then you're going to learn the right hand, then you're going to put the two hands together, then you're going to learn to sing the lyrics while you play both hands, then you're going to learn how to sing the solfege while you play both hands. And then, an exciting turn of events, we are going to transpose it up to E flat major and do the same thing. You're going to learn the left hand, then you're going to learn the right hand, then you're going to put the two hands together, then you're going to learn the lyrics. Well, you already learned the lyrics, so now you're going to sing the lyrics in E flat major, then you're going to sing the solfege in E flat major. And guess what? The solfege is the same too. Good job, everyone. Oh, and let me give you some tips. All right, so in the left hand, notice we're going to start with our 3 finger on the F sharp. And so it's pretty easy. We're just going to go 3, 2, 1, and then back down. 2, 3, 4, 3, right? And we end up right back on that 3 finger. Okay, that's pretty easy. And then we're going to, we might as well stay on the 3 finger since we're there, right? And then we'll keep going. 3, 1, 2, and then we already played that 4 there. 4, 3, excellent. All right, so we're pretty much keeping our hand in the same place. We have 5 on the D, up to F sharp, and then up to 1 there. Okay, this is all pretty easy, right? Little tiny stretch from the 2 finger up to the B. Okay, now in the final system, we have a little bit of finger crossing happening. We're going to go 3 on the A, up to the B with our 2, and then instead of coming back down to 3, we're going to swing our 1 finger under. Okay, let's try that. So 3 on the A, up to B with our 2, and then swing the 1 finger under. Excellent. And now we're in place for the rest of this line. So 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Oh, and then at the end here, look, we have a staccato and an accent mark. So we're going to play it short and we're going to play it spicy. All right. Now let's take a look at the right hand. We're going to start on 1. Okay, now remember we have all of these rests, meaning we want it to be silent during those rests. So make sure you lift your finger. We have 1, and then lift for these. Then we have 3, a little bit of a stretch, right? 1 up to 3 on the A, but you have plenty of time to move, right? And then these are silent, and then up to 5. Okay, so make sure you count all your rests. The next line, it's the exact same thing. 1, and then up to 3, and then up to 5. Very good. All right, now let's go to the third system. We're going to hold that 5 finger down, and then down to the C with the 4 finger. 3, 2, 1. Okay, all pretty simple. These are, don't forget to count your rests there. Go back up to 2, and then the next measure. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty easy. Make sure you have your rest, and then look, we also have staccato and accent mark in the right hand. So we're going to play that short and accented. Little spice on that. All right, now let's take a look at E flat major. So in the key of E flat major, it looks pretty much the same, but maybe we have some different fingerings. So let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to start on 3 again. It's 3, 2, 1, back down, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so far that's the same. Don't forget your rests. We're going to start on 3 again, and then 3 again, and then 1. Okay, 4, 3. Very good. Okay, we're back down to 5 on that E flat as we were before. Up to 3. Okay. Everything is supernatural fingering so far, right? Remember the little stretch up to 1. Okay, last system. This is a little bit different. Remember, before we played 3, 2, and then we came down to 1. We did the little swing over, right? But we're going to finger it a little bit differently. We're going to start on the B flat with our 2 finger, go up to 1, and then just come right back to the 2 on B flat, 3, A flat, and now we're we're gonna swing our finger under to G. And end on 3 instead of 5. Did you see that? Let's try it again. So it's B flat 2, 1, 2, 3, and then swing your finger under. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. And don't forget the last one. Staccato and accented. All right, now the right hand. So same pattern, right? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Don't forget the flats. So it's E flat, B flat, E flat. The next line, same pattern, right? Okay, now let's look at this line. We have E flat, D flat. Okay, so everything moving pretty naturally. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love that. Then up to B flat I mean. And then this looks a little bit different. So before I think we just played straight through 2, 3, 4, 5. But now we're gonna do a little bit of the swinging our finger under. So B flat is with the 2 finger, and then swing your finger under to the C, and then D natural, E flat. Okay, do you see that? So B flat is with our 2 finger, like we did before, but we're gonna swing our finger under to the C, and then D, E flat. And then don't forget our short accented E flat at the top. Very good. So today we learned Hickory Dickory Dock, and we learned to play it in the key of D major, and then we transposed it up to the key of E flat major. So remember, keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!